Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Accessory Lab. Today we're checking out the top 10 best garage toolboxes to keep your wrenches, sockets, and screwdrivers organized and secure. A cluttered workspace slows you down, but the right toolbox changes everything. I've researched and tested these options to find the best builds and layouts. And trust me, you'll want to see this, from heavy-duty rolling cabinets with smooth ball-bearing drawers to portable chests with reinforced steel construction and high-weight capacities. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. MilleLoom. The MilleLoom is perfect for professionals and creatives who demand precision and durability in their workspace. Featuring an ultra-fine, high-density weave surface, it provides a stable and slip-resistant base for intricate tasks like drafting, crafting, or digital design. Made from premium, eco-friendly materials, it resists wear and tear while offering a smooth, glare-free finish that reduces eye strain during extended use. Equipped with a self-healing core, it effortlessly recovers from minor cuts and pressure marks, maintaining its pristine appearance over time. Its lightweight yet robust construction makes it easy to roll and transport without losing shape. Whether you are sketching blueprints or assembling delicate components, the MilleLoom combines unmatched resilience with a sleek, professional aesthetic, making it an essential tool for any meticulous workspace. IDEALHOUSE. The IDEALHOUSE product is perfect for homeowners seeking a seamless blend of smart technology and everyday comfort. Featuring an intuitive central control system, it effortlessly manages lighting, climate, and security from a single interface, and made from premium, sustainable materials, it offers both durability and an elegant aesthetic for any modern living space. Equipped with voice-activated assistants and energy-efficient sensors, this system reduces your utility costs while providing unparalleled convenience and peace of mind. Its compact design integrates discreetly into your decor without sacrificing powerful performance or functionality. Whether you are upgrading a single room or outfitting an entire house, the IDEALHOUSE transforms your home into a responsive sanctuary. With its superior craftsmanship and user-friendly design, it is an essential investment for anyone who values a smarter, more streamlined lifestyle. AIRAJ. The AIRAJ tool set is perfect for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable and comprehensive solution for everyday repairs and projects. Featuring a durable carrying case with a sleek, organized design, this kit keeps every tool securely in place and easily accessible. Made from premium chrome vanadium steel, the essential wrenches, screwdrivers, and pliers offer superior strength and corrosion resistance for long-lasting performance. Equipped with a ratchet and a full range of sockets, it provides the versatility to tackle furniture assembly, plumbing fixes, and automotive maintenance with confidence. Its compact and lightweight build makes it effortless to store in a garage, closet, or vehicle without taking up valuable space. Granper. Granper is the perfect solution for busy professionals and active individuals who need a reliable and stylish way to stay organized throughout their day. Featuring a premium, water-resistant exterior and a sleek, minimalist design, this versatile bag seamlessly transitions from the office to the gym or a weekend getaway. Made from durable, high-quality materials, Granper offers superior protection for your laptop, tablet, and other essentials, while its thoughtfully designed compartments keep everything in its place. Equipped with padded shoulder straps and a lightweight build, it ensures exceptional comfort even when fully loaded, reducing strain during your commute. Its compact yet spacious interior maximizes storage without adding bulk, making it an ideal companion for any journey. Superday. Superday is perfect for professionals and students who need to turn overwhelming schedules into manageable, productive days. Featuring an intelligent prioritization engine, this powerful tool automatically organizes your tasks by urgency and importance, ensuring you focus on what truly matters. Made from a sleek, intuitive interface, Superday eliminates decision fatigue by presenting a clear, actionable plan each morning. Equipped with seamless calendar integration, it synchronizes across all your devices, keeping your goals and appointments in perfect harmony. Its lightweight design ensures quick loading and effortless navigation, so you never waste time wrestling with complex menus. Whether you are juggling deadlines, meetings, or personal projects, Superday transforms chaos into clarity, boosting your efficiency and reducing stress. Sormols. The Sormols product is perfect for anyone seeking a seamless blend of style and everyday utility in their carry essentials. Featuring a sleek, minimalist design, and premium construction, it offers a refined solution for organizing your daily items with ease. Made from durable, high-quality materials, this accessory withstands daily wear while maintaining a sophisticated appearance that complements any outfit. Equipped with thoughtfully designed compartments, it provides easy access to your phone, cards, and keys without adding unnecessary bulk. Its lightweight and compact profile ensures comfortable portability, whether you are heading to the office or out for an evening. With its superior craftsmanship and focus on practical organization, the Sormols product is an essential upgrade for anyone who values both form and function in their daily routine. Winado. The Winado is perfect for event planners and DIY enthusiasts who demand both style and structural reliability in their portable setups. Featuring a robust powder-coated steel frame, this versatile structure offers exceptional stability and can be customized with interchangeable sidewalls for complete weather protection. Made from high-density polyethylene fabric, it provides superior UV resistance and water repellency to keep guests comfortable in any condition. Its intuitive push-button locking system allows for effortless assembly and breakdown in minutes, eliminating frustrating setup delays. Whether you are hosting a backyard party, a market stall, or a corporate gathering, the Winado combines professional-grade durability with sleek, modern aesthetics. Lightweight yet remarkably sturdy, it folds into a compact carrying case for convenient transport and storage. AirWire. The AirWire is the perfect solution for music lovers and busy professionals who demand seamless connectivity and uncompromising sound quality. Featuring advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology, this sleek wireless earbud set ensures an instant, stable connection with zero audio lag, whether you're taking calls or streaming your favorite playlists. Made from lightweight, premium materials with an ergonomic design, the AirWire provides a secure and comfortable fit for all-day wear without causing fatigue. Equipped with active noise cancellation and high-fidelity drivers, it delivers an immersive audio experience by blocking out distractions while preserving rich, crystal-clear sound. Its compact charging case offers up to 30 hours of total battery life, making it ideal for travel or daily commutes. Keter. The Keter product line is perfect for homeowners and outdoor enthusiasts seeking stylish, low-maintenance storage solutions that withstand the elements. Featuring durable, weather-resistant resin construction, these sheds and deck boxes resist rust, rot, and fading, ensuring long-lasting beauty and performance. Made from advanced polypropylene, each piece is remarkably lightweight, yet incredibly strong, making assembly and placement effortless. Equipped with integrated locking systems, your tools, cushions, and gear remain secure and protected from moisture and pests. Its sleek, wood-grain finish mimics natural wood without the need for painting or staining, saving you time and money. Whether you need a compact storage bench for the patio or a spacious shed for the garden, Keter combines premium durability with modern design. Goplus. The Goplus product is perfect for anyone seeking a reliable and stylish solution that enhances everyday convenience and performance. Featuring a robust and durable construction, this item is built to withstand frequent use while maintaining its sleek appearance, making it a standout choice for practical applications. Equipped with user-friendly design elements, it simplifies tasks and streamlines your routine, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. Made from premium materials, it delivers superior functionality and long-lasting value, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. Its compact and lightweight build allows for easy handling and storage without sacrificing quality or power. Whether you are upgrading your workspace or tackling daily chores, the Goplus combines efficiency, durability, and modern style, making it an essential addition to your collection.